ओम महादेव महादेव महादेवेति यो वदेत् एकेन मुक्तिमाप्नोति द्वाभ्यां शम्भुरुणि भवेत्. Namaste. Now we will move further on the spare nakshatras. Sixth, Ardra Nakshatra. Symbol, teardrop. Deity, Rudra, storm god. Ruler, Rahu. Nature, Tikshna, sharp. Zodiac range 6.40 degree to 2.0 degree Gemini, Mithun. Ardram Rudra Swarupam Syat Vishad Dhyana Pravartakah means this represents emotional intensity, transformation through grief and spiritual awakening. Ardra is the storm before the calm. It symbolizes emotional intensity, destruction, and the power to rebuild. Rebuild by Rudra and Rahu. It awakens deep transformation through pain or hardship. People born under Ardra face emotional highs and lows but come out wiser and stronger. It is good for surgeries, breakthrough decisions, and internal purification. Ardra shows us that destruction is not the end but a necessary phase before rebirth. Seventh, Punarvasu Nakshatra. Symbol, quive of arrow. Deity Aditi, mother of gods. Ruler Jupiter. Nature Char, movable. Zodiac range 20.00 degrees Mithun to 30.20 degree Cancer, Kark. Punarvasunam Janma Sukhada Punarutpatyate means it symbolized renewal, rebirth, and restoration of peace and purpose. Punarvasu stands for renewal, healing, and the power to return to one's higher self. It is ruled by Aditi, the universal mother, and brings qualities of generosity, optimism, and restoration. People born under this nakshatra are forgiving, wise, and hopeful. This is the perfect time for new beginnings, second chances, and spiritual awakening. Punarvasu teaches us that even after darkness, light always returns. 8. Pushya Nakshatra. Symbol, cow's udder or lotus. Deity Bruhaspati, Guru. Ruler Saturn. Nature Laghu, light. Zodiac range 3.20 degree to 16.40 degree Kark. Pushye Poshanat Sarvam Samruddhim Vindate Naraha. This highlights nurturing growth and spiritual as well as material fulfillment. Pushya is the star of nourishment, wisdom, and spirituality, governed by Brihaspati, the divine teacher. This nakshatra is ideal for teaching, learning, donations, and spiritual practices. People born under Pushya are kind, hearted, responsible, and disciplined. It is considered one of the most auspicious stars in astrology. Pushya teaches us to grow by giving and to become strong by serving others. Stay tuned for remaining nakshatras. Follow for more updates. Thank you.